Ambulation using wheelchair. Transferring patient from bed to home. Proper hand washing, sanitize, gloves on. Prepare and gather all materials. Remove gloves, hand wash, sanitize, gloves on. Approach the patient. Knock on the door. Close for privacy. Good morning, Ma'am Nilda. I'm Rafael, your caregiver for today. Ma'am, as per doctor advice, ma'am, hindi pa kayo nakapag-CR kahapon. Bali, try po natin. For that, ma'am, check ko lang po yung vital signs. So, yung vital sign is done. Gusto po kayo umupo. Takan to 3. Tagilid po tayo. 1, 2, 3. Palagay mo mo. Takan to 3 ma'am. Upo po tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan po yun. Okay ma'am. Abati po tayo. Check po tayo ng ako. Tayo po tayo. 1, 2, 3. One step forward. Assist. One step forward. Assist. Okay ma'am, pakibaba na lang po ito kung gamit po ng internet po. Leave towel for 5 minutes. Atras po tayo ma'am para makasandal po. Okay ma'am, 1, 2. Lock the wheelchair. Ganun, pakiangat na lang po yung footrest. One step forward. Assist. One step forward. Towel for privacy. Okay ma'am Nilda, tawagin niyo lang po ako mag-usap.
Tapos na po ako.
Okay ma'am. Kunin ko lang ma'am yung towel. Okay ma'am, tuloy po tayo. Assist niyo po yung sarili ng towel. 1, 2, 3. Okay ma'am, one step forward. Assist. One step forward. Assist. Ma'am, paki-angat, baba na lang po yung footrest po niyo. Towel for privacy. Ma'am, pakiangat na lang po ulit yung footrest. ma'am, upo na po tayo sa dami. Maging po yung sarili po. 1, 2, 3. Step forward. This is. Step forward. Ika tayo ma'am, at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay ma'am, let's do the range of motion exercise. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. Sige ma'am, tayo po. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. Okay ma'am, sa paa namin po tayo. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. Sige ma'am, tayo po. Okay ma'am Nilda, mag-rest po muna kayo ma'am. I'll just do the aftercare. After care is done, I remove my gloves, hand wash, sanitize, put clean gloves on. Approach the patient. Hello ma'am, good morning. Okay naman po pakaramdam niyo ma'am. Okay ma'am, check po natin yung vital signs niyo. Show me vital signs is done. I remove my gloves, hand wash, sanitize, and document on my care.